Hello students, in our previous video we have learned about the addition of 3 and 4 digit numbers with carrying or without carrying over. Now today we will learn how to solve the word problems using addition. In our chapter 4, let us practice 4.3. Let us first understand the meaning of word problem or story problem. So what is the meaning of word problem? So sometimes a problem is written out as a sentence or a story. So this kind of problem is called a word problem. To solve a word problem, we have to first understand that what are being asked to do by reading the statement or the sentence carefully. That means to solve a word problem, first we have to understand the meaning of the statement, that what is given or what is asking in the question. As we know, there are many or several names of addition like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of. So, when we see any of these in a word problem, that means we need to add. So, we have a word problem or a story problem here. A farmer has 5,708 mango trees in his garden. He planted 2,856 trees more. Then what is the total number of trees in the garden now? एक किसान ने अपने गार्डन में इतने ट्रीज लगा रखे थे, 5,708 मैंगो ट्रीज उसके गार्डन में थे, और वो इतने और ट्रीज यदि वो प्लांट करता है तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज अब कितने हैं? Here word is given total, that means we have to add. Now the statement will be number of mango trees 5,708, number of trees planted more 2,856, and we have to find the total number of trees. That means we have to add these two numbers. So we have to arrange the number in column 5,708 and 2,856. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 4 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Then 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 5 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the thousands place. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. That means there are 8,564 mango trees in the garden now. Now the second question, a factory produced 1,468 2,329 and 1,560 bicycle in 3 days. That means एक फैक्ट्री बनाती है 1,468, 2,329 and 1,560 bicycles in 3 days. 3 दिनों में वो इतनी bicycles प्रोड्यूस करती है. तो how many bicycles were produced in all? कुल मिला के उसने कितनी bicycles प्रोड्यूस की in 3 days में. Then the statement will be number of bicycle produced on the first day 1,468, on the second day 2,329, on the third day 1,560. That means we have to find the total number of bicycle produced. For that we have to add all these three numbers. Then we will arrange in columns. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 0 is equal to 17. 7 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 5 is equal to 15. 5 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 3 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the thousands place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. That means the factory produced 5,357 bicycles in 3 days. In our third question, a farm, there are 1,492 cows, 1,042 buffaloes and 4,268 hens. That means एक फार्म में 1,492 cows हैं, 1,042 buffaloes हैं and 4,268 hens हैं. How many animals in total are present in the farm? तो उस फार्म में अब कितने टोटल कुल मिला के कितने एनिमल्स वहाँ पे हैं? The statement will be number of cows 1,492, number of buffaloes 1,042, number of hens 4,268, and we have to find the total number of animals in the farm. Again we will arrange all these number in proper column, then add. Now all these numbers are arranged, then we will add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. Now 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 0 will be here and 2 will be carried over at the hundreds place. Now 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. That means there are 6,802 animals present in the farm. Now in next question, the total monthly expenditure of Mr. Sharma's family is rupees 8,968. Mr. Sharma की फैमिली के टोटल मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर मीन्स खर्चे, मंथली उनके खर्चे हैं रुपीज़ 8,968. इफ़ दे सेव रुपीज़ 1,025 पर मंथ, अगर वो सेव करते हैं हर महीने पर मंथ रुपीज़ 1,025, देन व्हाट इज़ देयर मंथली इनकम? तो उनकी मंथली इनकम क्या होगी? ना सॉल्यूशन, what is given in the question? Monthly income, monthly expenditure of Mr. Sharma's family and total saving of Mr. Sharma's family. Now the statement will be the total expenditure is equal to rupees 8,968 and total saving is equal to rupees 1,025, and we have to find the total income of Mr. Sharma's family. For that we have to add the expenditure and saving. Now we will arrange this amount in proper column. Rupees 8,968 and rupees 1,025. Then we will add these two numbers, 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 3 will be here and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. And 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then total income of Mr. Sharma's family is rupees 9,993. Now in our next question, the difference between two number is 1,786. If the smaller number is 6,948, find the larger number. That means difference is given, smaller number is given, and we have to find the larger number. Okay. Now we will understand with this example. First of all, what is the meaning of difference? Difference is the result of subtraction. That means if we subtract a smaller number from a larger number, the result will be difference. Here 10 is larger number and 3 is a smaller number. Then the difference will be 7. But in this question, the smaller number is given, the difference is given, and we have to find the larger number. Okay? If smaller number and difference is given, we have to add these two numbers to find the larger number. Then we will add these two numbers. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. That means 10 is the larger number. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Come to this question. The difference between two numbers given, the smaller number is given and we have to find the larger number. To find the larger number, we have to add these two numbers. Now arrange these two numbers in column 1786 and 6948. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 4 will be here and 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 3 will be here and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 7 will be here and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. That means the larger number will be 8734. If we subtract 6948 from 8734, we will find the difference as 1786. Now next question, the cost of a moped is rupees 6865 more than that of a bicycle. एक मोपेड की कॉस्ट बाइसिकल से 6865 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा है. इफ़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द बाइसिकल इज़ रुपीज़ 1065, अगर बाइसिकल की कॉस्ट इतनी है 1565, तो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ मोपेड? तो मोपेड की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? नाउ व्हाट इज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? Cost of bicycle rupees 1565. Cost of moped more than bicycle rupees 6865, and we have to find the cost of moped. Okay, to find the cost of moped we have to find find these two amounts. Now first of all we will arrange these two amount in proper column, rupees 1565 and rupees 6865. Now we will add these two amounts. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the tens place. Now 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 3 will be here and 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 4 will be here and 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now the cost of moped will be rupees 8430. In next question, in a bag there are 2236 small beads and 3819 big beads. Beads means मोती. एक बैग में 2236 small beads हैं and 3819 big beads हैं. How many beads are there in the bag? That means total कितने beads हैं उस बैग में. Now the solution will be number of small beads 2236, number of big beads 3890, and we have to find the total number of beads. For that we have to add these two numbers. Now we will arrange this in column 2236 and 3890. Now we will add 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 1 will be here and this one will be carried over. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That means there are 6126 beads in the bag. Thank you.